Okay, right, so we've got over here with Dave a gorgeous little male tawny owl called Bracken. Bracken's 10 years old. He's our common little tawny in the UK. He's obviously the little twit-twoo bird. He's the one who goes woo because he's the little boy. Gorgeous natured little bird. Oh, Shanty just done a poo. Following round we have got northern white-faced here little treble. So that's an African owl. They're also known as transformer owls because these are the owls that turn into different body shapes depending on how they feel. And we've got a little video clip we can show you of that bit later on. Gorgeous Shanty, Bengal Indian eagle owl, absolutely superb. Shanty and treble are both 3 years old. Raised together unfortunately, so they think they're twins, but it's actually a lovely little friendship. They actually live together. So these are obviously an Indian owl, this is obviously an African owl, so a complete wrong friendship, but so wrong it's absolutely perfect. And this gorgeous little fella over here is Timber. So Timber is a member of the Strix family, so he's basically a cousin of Bracken. So Strix, woodland nighttime hunters, but this is a Russian tawny owl, so he would be in the Ural Mountains. He is built like one massive duvet, so he's kept to keep nice and warm, thick feathers, gorgeous tummy feathers, gorgeous furry Ugg boots, so love the cold weather.